Hey everyone, in our last class we discussed everything related to set data type in Python, and in today's class we will summarize the key characteristics of the set data type. Okay, first, uniqueness, that means set can contain only unique elements, not like list, not like tuple. Okay, mutable, you remember list is mutable, tuple is not mutable, sets are mutable. That means it can be modified even after creation. How can we add? By add function, by update function. How to remove? By remove function, by pop function. Clear? Next, unordered, because whenever you try to iterate over the set or print the set, the order of the elements may change. Okay, it's not like list or tuple, both of them are ordered, but set is unordered. Next, membership testing, that means membership operator can be applied on set. We saw that in operator or not in operator can be used to check whether an element is present in a set or not. Okay, next, mathematical operation, union operator takes every value only for once. Intersection, only the common part from both of the sets. Difference, common parts are deleted from the set. Symmetric difference, the common parts are completely ignored. Okay, each disjoint, whether the sets are completely different or not. So each superset, whether one set contains the another sets completely or not. Each subset, the opposite one. Next, how to create curly braces and set function. But we give empty curly braces, then what will be the default data type? Do you remember? Dictionary, very good. Now indexing. Sets do not support indexing or slicing unlike tuple or list because they are unordered. If not ordered, then how can you index? Next, no duplicate elements. Already discussed, it contains only unique elements. If you try to add, it will not be added. It will only consider the elements for once. Okay. Now sets can contain integer, float, strings. So we have just summarized about what we learned in our last class. These are the key characteristics. If you have any confusion, rewatch the earlier video. And now we will move to our next topic, that is dictionary in Python. Okay, bye. Happy learning.